Do you have seat belts that are like this? Let's see if we can fix this pretty easy.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today we're going to be working on this 97 Ford Explorer, but pretty much any old car you have that has the retracting seatbelts that don't retract, this should fix the problem. Now, I've had this problem in the past and I always thought, well, the tensioner in there was bad, but that's generally not the case. What it is this has 192,000 miles. It's been going across, several people probably. I don't know how many owners this thing has, but it's been going across their sweaty bodies and getting oils and stuff on it, and that's what causes it to not retract. You can see down here this light gray color, and up here it's gross brown color. So I have I don't know where I put it, over here, a bucket full of soapy water and a little clamp. So what we're going to do is pull this out as far as we can. It doesn't retract very much anyway, and we'll put the clamp right there. And we'll try to get as much of this in the water as we can. We'll let it soak, and then the rest of it we'll clean with a sponge or a washcloth or whatever. There's my little bucket of soapy water. Let's move that key so we don't get that wet. And we will just dunk all this in here for now. We'll let that soak, and we'll see how dirty that water turns out. The rest of this, like I said, we'll clean up with a sponge. I have a sponge in here as well. I'll scrub a dub on that a little bit while this soaks, and we'll come back in a little bit. Here's the first soak after, 30-45 minutes. See how dirty that water is. That was just a little bit of like generic dish soap. So I mixed up some Oxiclean. I'm soaking it again. We'll let that soak for 30-45 minutes. As soon as I put it in there, it already is turning it dark. But we'll soak that Oxiclean in there. I've got a toothbrush. I can scrub up this area that it doesn't reach, or I'll dump that out, flip that over, lift this one up a little bit to get more of it in there. All right, that's after soaking in that Oxiclean. I love that stuff. I use it for all kinds of things, cleaning out air filters on motorcycles, that sort of stuff. But what I'm going to do is take this out, dunk it in some fresh water, and then we're going to drape it over everything here. Maybe I'll lay a towel down, let it dry, open the windows in the truck, and then we'll see if it helped. Well, there it is, all cleaned up, and it definitely looks better. I let it dry overnight. I got busy doing other things. So let's see how it operates. Well, it's not perfect, but it's definitely better. I think maybe using some stronger soap, maybe like some laundry soap, would help improve it. I could soak it a lot longer, but it's brought some life back to it, and maybe using it a while will help. But I'm happy with the results. I mean, this is a 25-year-old car, almost 200,000 miles. The fact that this thing is working better is well worth my time and effort. And hopefully if you try this, you'll have a little bit better results. But like I said, I'm happy with it. It's not going to hang out the door anymore like it was doing. We can't win them all 100%, but like I said, I'm happy with the results, and your results may vary. Yeah, try some laundry soap. That might do it. There was still a lot of greasy looking stuff on there, but boy, it does look a lot better, works a lot better, and whatever the results, minimal effort, good results. Okay, if you're liking my content, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.